Okay, so let's place some doors in this beast. And I'm not real picky about where the doors end up right now. We can get much more precise later. I just want you to get some doors in the walls. So let's start with this exterior walk door, which is supposed to be a single flush 36 by 84. So I go to my architecture tab to find doors, and door is right there next to the wall tool. So I click on that, and it pops up. The first thing it has is a sliding closet door. That's not what I want to start with. I want to start with the single flush. So I click on that to get my drop down, and I scroll up in the doors that are already loaded, and there is single flush, and the size that I want is 36 by 84, which is there. So I click on it to select it, and then notice I can't place doors in midair, so I have to be on a wall to place a door. So I want it to swing in, so I move my cursor slightly to the inside. So now it's swinging in, but I want it to be handed the other way so that the door opens against that north wall. So I click the space bar on my keyboard, and that reverses the handing, and now I can just click my left mouse button and place the door. Life is good. So let me back up and try it a different way. So I remove that door, and I try to put it in again, and let's say that I don't notice the handing is the opposite of the way that I want it. So I go ahead and I place it there, and it's incorrect. Click escape twice to get out of that place door command, and you can go back anytime, click on the door to select it, and notice the flip arrows that are there. So this arrow will fix my handing problem and move it from left to right, no problem. This arrow, or set of arrows, will change it from inside to outside swing. So you can always correct the swing of the door later. Let me put the other door in to the workshop. So single flush 86 or 36 by 84, and that one goes here. I'm going to change the handing before I place it. And then I need a closet door that is 72 by 84. So I go into my doors. That's already loaded, 72 by 84. And so I place that in the wall here. Uh-oh, looks like I've got a size problem. So let's change the size there and put in a 48 by 84. I think I missed that in the in the directions. So I put that in the wall. That looks good. And then I need my overhead doors down here at the bottom of my garage in the south wall. And I go to place the overhead doors, and they're not on my list of available doors. So how do I fix that? Well, I have to load them from the family. Or load them from the library, sorry. So I click load family, and it opens the library for me, and 8 or 10 or 12 folders down is the doors. So I double click on doors to open that, and then if you slide down almost to the bottom of that list of doors in the folder there is door-overhead-sectional. So double click on that. That will load the doors into your project from the library. And so now you've got it. It's the top choice there, the 8 foot by 6 foot 6. Simply go down and place them on that south wall. Make sure that the door is to the inside of the garage. Overhead doors run on the inside of the wall, not on the outside of the wall, typically. So place one and then the other, and we are good. We have all the doors that we need. So on to the next one, where we will place the floor.